Good morning, world. You looking happy or grumpy? Luke went for a little morning dip.
Yeah, it was good. Cold.
Now he's freezing.
I'm warm down. Alright, look at it.
Making another coffee and we're off.
Yep.
Big day of adventure ahead. Woo!
Maybe.
Woo! Always.
Yeah,
Always.
true.
Woo.
Bye, Ken.
Goodbye.
Good.
Woo! Do you watch yourself back and be like you?
No, I laugh.
Go up there.
Not. Should I?
No way! No, Luke, don't keep going. You're gonna get us stuck in somewhere stupid. Don't, go back. Go back! We're not, I don't want to dig us out the sand all day.
It looks solid though.
Well, go, you have to go look first. Okay. You're such a knob. You think you can do these things, but you just can't, Nemo. Oh, it's so hard once you get up here, Luke. Yeah, the ground. Traveling Australia in a van is fun, but if we could go back, we absolutely would have bought 4x4 because the amount of places we can't go I think is almost more than the places we can go in terms of the spots you want to go see. Like, look at those sand dunes. Those are amazing. Luke yelling. Ocean's right there. Bloody brilliant! This is probably, yeah, one of the few places Luke and I could actually drive the van on. We just couldn't get up the hill. Wow, it's so pretty.
We just spotted some dolphins jumping up in the water, so we're gonna send a drone up and see if we can get them. They're out here somewhere. The coolest thing ever. Wow, how sick were those shots? Ooh, that was so exciting.
It was so exciting.
We got to spend so long with them. Well, not with them, the drone did. But it was so cool. Fuck yeah. Good mission.
That was so fun.
Little koala. Where is he? Tucked up in here somewhere. Seen some very cool things today. 7 koalas we spotted. 7 koalas. Wow.
So many animals.
Whoa. Look how nice that looks. Whoa. Oh shit, so cool.
Camp for the night.
Look at this place.
You just stand around like a dad these days, you're like,
I know, you've been noticing a lot lately.
it's not bad. This is Luke all the time lately. But like the awkward hand, like not the actually relaxed, it's like the this hand where he's like, oh yeah, that's a spot.
At least it's not this.
I wish it was that.
And then belly out as well.
You look like a cartoon. Oh. Baldo Waldo, going for a run.
Yeah,
Jenny Penny, drinking some vino, reading, view. Who's living the good life?
I'll
Me.
be back to do it in a minute. I haven't ran in a long time, so it's time to dust off the old
Sneakies.
body. Dust this off.
Perfect.
Only got the camera running back to that rock pool to have another dip, second dip of the day. Oh, right in the puddle. Oh, man, so unlucky. Oh! Bitter. Fucking rogue wave came. Thought it was going to get you. You lost forever. Oh. Nope. Oh, look at this big boy coming. I would not want to be down there. I'll stick to that, thank you. Jen walking in barefoot.
This was not fun to make a sit and go barefoot.
I'm so proud of her. And then there's me, who just doesn't care. And then we've got this beautiful sun about to go down. This is the first sunset we've like seen go down over the sea in a while.
I'm not gonna get dinner after this.
So this is exciting. It's been so long since we've seen the sun go down over the sea. Because we've always been on the east coast. Amazing.
That's a good spot.
Yeah, get the sand.
Oh, God, I make up now.
Quick, Jen, it's going down. So we just got the sunset time lapse, but we sat down in an ant mound. So we had ants crawling all over us, which is why we got up and
Ran away.
But yeah, that was fun. It was a beautiful sunset though. Wow, what a fucking sunset. Absolutely spectacular. Hey Jen. Wait, Jen. There you are. Woo! Doesn't get better than that.